Join me as I take on the challenge of figuring out how to become a billionaire in Ghana overnight. Becoming a billionaire overnight in Ghana, it sounds like a far-fetched idea, but is it really impossible? Today, we're going to explore this intriguing topic and see if we can uncover some secrets to achieving rapid wealth creation in Ghana. When we talk about creating wealth in Ghana, there are several challenges that come to mind. For many aspiring billionaires in Ghana, one major obstacle is the economic barrier. The cost of living in Ghana is relatively high, and for those who aren't already wealthy, it can be difficult to save money or invest in lucrative ventures. Another challenge is the lack of resources, which can limit one's access to information, networks, and opportunities. Additionally, there are many misconceptions surrounding quick wealth, which can lead people down the wrong path. Furthermore, many Ghanaians believe that becoming a billionaire requires a certain level of education, family connections, or a stroke of luck. Some might even think that it's only possible for those who are already born into wealthy families or have access to special privileges. These misconceptions can be discouraging and make people feel like it's impossible to achieve rapid wealth creation. However, what if we told you that these barriers aren't insurmountable? What if we shared with you some strategies and ideas that could potentially lead to rapid wealth accumulation, despite these challenges? That's exactly what we're going to do in this video. One potential strategy is entrepreneurship. With the rise of e-commerce and digital marketplaces, it's become easier than ever to start a business in Ghana. You could identify a gap in the market and create a product or service that fills that need. Another strategy is investment opportunities, such as real estate, stocks, or mutual funds. If you do your research and make smart investment decisions, you could see significant returns on your investment. Leveraging technology is another key area to explore, as it can help you reach a wider audience, automate tasks, and increase efficiency. Additionally, we can't ignore the power of online platforms and social media. With millions of people using these platforms every day, there's huge potential for entrepreneurs and investors to reach new customers and grow their businesses. Moreover, the Ghanaian government has been working to create a more business-friendly environment, with initiatives such as tax incentives and investment promotion programs. But what's the most effective approach to becoming a billionaire in Ghana overnight? Is it a combination of these strategies, or something entirely different? The truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all solution, and what works for someone else might not work for you. However, there is one key mindset shift that can dramatically increase your chances of success. It's the ability to think outside the box, to be open to new ideas and opportunities, and to be willing to take calculated risks. When you shift your mindset to focus on the possibilities rather than the limitations, you open yourself up to a world of possibilities. You start to see opportunities that others might miss, and you become more confident in your ability to achieve your goals. This mindset shift is critical, because it allows you to adapt to changing circumstances, to learn from your failures, and to keep moving forward despite setbacks. In conclusion, becoming a billionaire in Ghana overnight might seem like a daunting task, but it's not impossible. By understanding the common challenges, exploring strategic ideas, and making a mindset shift, you can increase your chances of achieving rapid wealth creation. Thanks for watching, and we'd love to hear from you in the comments. What are your thoughts on wealth creation in Ghana? Share your ideas and experiences, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more insights on financial success.